New update with semi trucks and trailers, new gamepass. So as you can see, actually I used the dress button to dress myself up. I'm not actually, I don't have Robux still. I'm still a poor big. And they had a new trucks. Yes, trucks. I'm not why. As you can see, a truck right here. You see this purple truck. I'm going to click on it and it can spawn. So when I'm going to click here, I can change the work vehicle color. And I want it to be orange. Orange, but you know what? Let me just type. Don't ask me why. Yeah! What?
And Scotland is set free. So with that, we have an alliance between Ireland, Scotland, and the Roman Empire.
Oh, I
allies and help each other out in war. So now Italy faces its greatest challenge yet. All of North Africa has just formed a coalition against Italy. With this, we also have the inclusion of Turkey, the inclusion of Cyprus, and the inclusion of other Islamic nations. We even see Israel join in on this action. Now that's extremely unlikely. That's probably the most unrealistic part.
Sorry, the TV is still talking. I cannot hear much as well.
Anyway, we have about an equivalent size opponent for the Roman Empire to now deal with. If they really want to get all their lands back, then they're gonna.
Great. And don't ask me why it just says that. Wait, can we change color? I don't know how I can change the color. It also has Among Us on the side. Wait, can I open this? No way I can open this. This is good. Did I just... Hold on, where you close it? Oh my shit. Everything just went full. What just happened? Let me just get out of this thing before or else anything happens. So let's just drive this Among Us truck. Oh wait, this is the way. Drive this Among Us truck. The Among Us truck has come to shine. Come on, go, stupid truck. Stop like, I just don't. So how much maximum speed is it? 55. That's literally a normal car speed. Everything is 55. I set it to 40. It's like much more faster. Whoa! This truck is so cool, bruh. Man, I wish these trucks can just get cooler. Wait, this is a new tunnel? Wait, there's a 4x4. Oh my gosh, they added a new tunnel way. So now there's two cars coming in a tunnel. You see the yacht there? Whoa, the campsite. Let me just go here. Wait, did I just make it out of the map? Oh shit. Without further to do, I went over the entire map with a circle. I'm not even paying attention to walls. I'm just literally driving on everything. I tried to drive perfectly, but I know I cannot drive that perfect. Why my hand is like wiggling this truck. It's like money, truck it down, jiggle. It falls. I don't know what if I just came up. Maybe I should edit that. Like the money don't jiggle. It falls. So a truck versus truck. Oh no, I missed. The Among Us truck versus a other truck does not have a name. What happens if I do this? Oh, I can get it out. Oh, this is much more faster now. Let's do that. Yeah, it'll be I'm gonna be so fast, dude. I just leave my Among Us trailer alone while I'm just only driving a truck. Maybe some new bacons would ask, how am I driving a truck? Let's see what else has happened. We have this new kind of truck. And this new kind of truck. Oh, I really want those. But I don't have my car pass, so whatever, I cannot get these. They're trying. They're trying me. I think that's how, like, people get Robux from. They just put game passes, and then people just use all the Robux on game passes, and then whoa. So the thing is, instead of going up, you'll go down. Wow, this Brookhaven map is so cool. Man, I love it. And I'm literally made it from... So instead of just going up and going in a straight line, you go underneath the tunnel. That's cool. I love it. Maybe I can steal someone else. There's a guy in the way. Is that Quen's beam? No, I just got confused between Quen's beam and this guy. Oh, I took someone with me. Maybe I'm not the best driver, I don't know. Who knows? I will just crash in. A car versus a truck. Who will win? Who's winning? Did you just remove his trailer? Oh, I'm winning. What is this kid doing here? Is he trying to get in my car? He's trying to get in the truck. That's what he's... I don't think what he's trying to do is trying to get him. This is my favorite car in Brookhaven, but no, it's not, but it's something else. My car wants to take a swim. It just disappeared. Now I'm like... I want someone's truck. I want someone's truck so I can drive. Well, but this week. Fine. And also, I haven't talked about the Game Pass. What is the Game Pass? What is the Game Passes? Oh, there's... It's not. Alright, I guess let's say that's our end of our tour. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.